Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I want to talk about LinkedIn and how you can use it to get leads in this time. So if you want more clients or more people to notice your business, this video is for you. Don't worry, I will keep it very simple and easy to follow. And also before we start, check the description below. I put the links and updates there that can help you. Always good to see the latest information there. Okay, now let's get started with the LinkedIn profile. This is very important because people see it first. You want it to look professional but simple. Don't worry about fancy words, just say clearly who you are and how you can help people. A good headline and a short description of what you do is enough. Or if you want, you can put a picture or a banner to make it look nice, and that's it. Now next thing is we need to find the right people. Now LinkedIn has a lot of people, but you want to connect with people who might need your help. So search for them by job, city or business. Now when you send a connection request, write a short message. Like in my case, I can write, "Hi, I work with a small business to help them to get more client. And I thought I would be a good connection or good connect." Now just one or two line, that's enough. Because people like it when it feels personal. Now after you connect, posting on LinkedIn helps a lot. But don't worry about long posts. You can write short tips, small stories and ask questions. For example, you can share a little story about how you help someone or ask people what their biggest problem is. So this makes people notice you and sometimes comment or message you. When people comment on your post, don't just ignore them. Reply to them, say something to nicely and helpful. So if someone seems interested, you can send a short message in their inbox and just ask them a question first. And don't sell anything yet. Just say something like, "Hey, I saw your comment and can I ask how you usually find clients?" So this makes the conversation natural. You can also send message to new connection, but remember, don't spam. Write only short and friendly messages. So you can say why you are connecting them and maybe offer something small like a tip or for a free guide. There are tools that can help you to keep track of your message and connection. You can use them to remember who you wrote to and who replied. But always make your message personal. Tools are helper but not replacement for talking like a human. Finally, if someone wants to talk more, then just set up a short call or a meeting and ask them about their problem and explain how you can help them. And if they don't reply the first time, don't worry, send one or two gentle reminders later. Most deals happen after a few follow-up. So to recap, first make your profile clear and easy to understand, then connect with people that are right for you, and the next thing is post simple tips and stories. And you have to reply on comments and send short and friendly messages to your client or people. And finally, follow up and offer to talk. Now if you do this, you can start getting real leads on LinkedIn even if you are new. Now it doesn't need to be complicated, just small and simple steps every day. So thanks for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.